Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. This is I think, part two. And I was just playing around. I was kind of testing to see how far this thing would go. So I have a really big star and a really little star and everything in between. And with our friend Eskimo's arrange macro, we can select them all and go up to arrange, and it's going to arrange them in order. See, they're in order now. And then I'm going to hit C on the keyboard. Look at that. Now, he's got a macro that'll do this too, but if I go to just align and distribute and pick this one right here to distribute them equally, they're equally spaced apart. Well, you can see that top one is at the bottom all the way down the field. I mean, it put it equally in there. I don't know of anything. I don't know that you'll ever use that. And I'll put a link to this macro at the bottom of the page of the video. That is pretty outstanding. So you can use his macro and then just hit C to line them up, put them center, and then use the distribute. And I always use this one right here that's distance space vertically. Anyway, hope that gave you an idea or two, and thank you for watching.